you who are looking to do, I don't know, chef, omelets, poached eggs.
Poached eggs.
The perfect frittata can be achieved in this great item from Decor. It's the Decor microwave egg and omelet cooker, brand new today. Now, I know that eggs are a little pricey and hard to come by right now because of our current situation. So please know that that won't last forever. And once it passes, eggs are going to be affordable again.
Yes.
And available again.
That's right. Now, did you know cooking in the microwave is a total egg hack, as we call it? Poached eggs, David, in the microwave come out
Well, they're
perfect.
great in the microwave. If you try to make them from scratch,
Yeah.
they're stressful.
Yeah, it's very stressful. You got to do the water, you get the right temperature,
The vinegar.
you vinegar, you stir it, you do this, it breaks apart. Let me show you how to make the perfect poached egg using your microwave in 1 minute. Okay, it's best to use hot water. And if you don't have hot water, just get your tap nice and hot. Fill this up to the little line there.
Okay.
There's a little line there. And that's just going to kind of regulate the temperature of the egg around the outside. Then you put these, 1 egg in each. You could do 1 egg.
It comes with the little egg bowls.
Little egg bowls. And then you fill this up to that little rim right there, that little line.
With more hot water.
More hot water.
That starts to cook the egg.
That starts to cook the egg, and then I'm going to put the lid on. This will steam the rest of it. 1 minute in the microwave, you get a perfect poached egg.
Perfect poached egg.
Okay.
And I tell you, these are really wonderful because making from scratch is tough.
Yeah, and I mean, whether you're doing 1 egg or 2 egg, let me go beep, beep, that's 1 minute. And again, every microwave's a little different, so yours might take 1:10. It might be, so, try it once. Here's the best part, is that this is, now use one of these slotted spoons. You ever wonder what these are for? Poached eggs. Okay, if you have one of these, you never used it, now you can use it. And I'm just gonna come in here. Here, let me pull this guy out here, and pull this egg up here. There we go.
There it is.
There is my poached egg.
Perfect poached egg.
And I'll put it right there. And then we put another one, grab this other guy right here. Okay, here we go. And then that goes there. And then I'm just gonna top this with some hollandaise sauce.
You know what Mark Charles calls this? The hotel breakfast.
Hotel, oh, it's a good hotel.
This is the hotel breakfast.
Yeah.
And a little hollandaise on top.
Yes, right there. And then just hit that with a little bit of, parsley on top to make that.
Or chives, whatever you have. Here it is, made with an English muffin and bacon.
Yeah. And then, and David, to clean it, it just goes in the dishwasher, BPA free. Remember, Decor's an Australian company that makes cookware for the microwave. So this is made for cooking in the microwave. Here's your quick omelet.
And the secret to an omelet is all cooked meats, right?
Yeah, this one, leftover ham, leftover chicken, bacon, if you have things like that. Don't put them in raw. You want to have it cooked because we're just going to kind of let the egg cook. This is going to take 1.5 minutes for an omelet. You could do egg whites.
Uncovered?
I'm going to put the cover on here. You're right.
Okay.
Yeah, cover that. That helps to sort of steam it. And I cooked one earlier. But if you're running late in the morning, you're like, I don't have much time. I just want to cook a quick egg. I just want to whip something up real fast, maybe make it a fast, easy omelet. Whatever you have, even if this is just eggs, even if you just want to put eggs and cheese in it, it gives you just a nice fluff. I mean, look at this.
Oh my.
That consistency, you would never realize this was done in a microwave. Now, if you just did this in a bowl, it wouldn't come out that nice and soft right there. I mean,
sprinkle some
look at that. It's almost like a soft frittata right there. It is just lovely and fluffy and perfect, and done in 1.5 minutes.
And no fuss, no muss, and we have color choices. Now you get 1 egg cooker, yes, 1 egg poacher omelet cooker.
Sorry,
I
I'm
know
eating.
You're eating.
Oh, it's good.
We have this in blue. We have it in red. We have green and gray. Let's review this again. Gray, green, red, and blue. And here's everything that you receive. You receive the steam lid and the 2 cups for the poached eggs. And green is most limited. These are $18 each, and this is worth every penny if you have ever struggled with poaching an egg before.
Yeah.
I mean, this is quick, this is easy. The reason that Mark Charles calls this a hotel breakfast is because you have to be in a hotel to get something that's fancy.
Yeah.
You can still do it at home if you have the right tools.
That's right. And then I'm just going to do one that's just like just the poached egg here, because you could put poached eggs on just about everything here. And again, you can see here, that is just, there they are right there. There's the 2 that I just started and finished. And I mean, here, open that up. You can see that has that.
And then hit it with toast points.
I mean, look at that. You just have that wonderful, yummy yolk inside there. I mean, yum, yum, yum. And hit it with toast, or even just, you know what, we're just gonna do
a little more hollandaise.
Just a little hollandaise. This is a no carb. Maybe that on just ham itself, and just eat that. Yum, yum, yum for me.
Yeah, and hit it with a little salt and pepper.
Yeah. Oh,
Never a problem. There's some pepper.
oh, thank you. And you know what? I'm going to go in on this.
A little bit of salt.
I'm going to go in on this because I haven't had breakfast yet. Here.
Okay.
How's it? Sure.
All right, let's talk about colors and let's talk about blue.
Love it.
And 1,000 of these are gone. We have this in blue, 2,000 in the blue. We have red, 2,300. Here's the green, 1,500 in the green, and finally the gray. 2,000 in the gray.
Oh.
Everything's on 5 pay. Remember, this is very, very popular. And this is the omelet you
This is
made?
the omelet we just did here. You saw me make it just from scratch. Again, you can use egg whites if you don't want to use the yolks.
Or you can use a little carton of
Egg
egg substitute.
That's fine, absolutely fine. But here's what you get again: total kitchen hack. Add whatever leftovers you,
didn't
have.
spray that.
I didn't. I actually did, David.
Oh, did you?
I did spray this a little bit. It's good to just coat it. It comes out a little easier. If you have bacon in there, things like that, you're gonna have a natural.
You can do it like an avocado oil spray.
Yeah, that's fine.
And it's very, very simple. And it still goes in the top rack of the dishwasher.
And look at that, just delicious, fluffy omelet. And that was just some bell peppers, leftover ham and cheese that we had, and 2 eggs. And it's simple, a minute and a half. You make yourself a great, easy, fast breakfast.
And that is what it's all about. Please don't wait on this because we are very, very busy. If you're looking to pick this up, choose your color or colors. Because you may be cooking for more than one person, because breakfast is the most important meal of the day. And everybody is very excited about this great item from Decor. It's an excellent idea.
There it goes.
And it's our microwave egg and omelet cooker, brand new today. And we have color choices. Let's go through colors again.
Okay.
And remind you that we have this in the blue. And 2,000 already gone.
Oh, awesome. Okay.
If you want the blue, I have 1,700 left in blue. If you want red, 2,000 left in red. Here's green, 1,200 in the green, and finally the gray. 1,700 left in the gray. Now, if we want to poach eggs, how best do that?
Let me do it again. I'll poach an egg. So what you want to do is just fill up the basin with hot water, okay? If you don't have a kettle, just get your sink nice and hot. And this just tends to speed it up a little bit.
Crack 1 egg in each cup.
Crack an egg in each cup.
Cups are included.
You could do 1 egg if you like. You could do, it's made for 2. You could do 2 at a time. And then I'm going to top this. This is how you get that poached effect. And it's not just a cooked egg. We're going to put that hot water on top of here. And then this just goes in the microwave. Put the lid on. You see that has a little slot, so it's going to steam, keep the heat in there. And then just 1 minute in the microwave. I'm going to open this up. There you go. And we put that in. And then just hit this twice, bleep, bleep, because for 30 seconds. 1 minute, you'll have perfect poached eggs.
Perfect poached eggs or omelets or whatever you're making.
Yeah.
And I know some of you are saying, wait a minute, eggs are super expensive and hard to come by right now. I was at the market yesterday and I overheard a woman on her phone telling someone, I couldn't find any eggs.
Really?
And so I had to Google why she couldn't find eggs, and then I found out. You'll find out too when you Google. But it's a situation that will correct itself.
Yeah.
And once it's over, it'll be over, and the prices will come back down, and eggs will be plentiful everywhere. Don't miss out on your chance. This is K, as in kitchen, 99264. Chef Jeremy, we'll see you back with Green Pan. All right. Enjoy your breakfast. All right. Miss Rachel, what do you have there, my friend?
Well,